How to fix Clash of Clans account disabled. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. If your Clash of Clans account is disabled, it is usually due to the violation of Supercell's policies such as cheating, account phishing or offensive behavior. So here is a quick guide to recover or resolve the issue. The first step would be to identify the reason for the account ban. When account is disabled, you should receive a message mentioning the reason. So check if it's temporary ban or a permanent ban. The next step would be to simply contact the Supercell support. If you believe the ban was a mistake, contacting Supercell is the fastest solution. So if you cannot access the game, simply open up your preferred browser in your mobile device. Once you are inside here, search for help.supercellsupport.com. Now once you are in this page, simply fill out the contact form with your player tag, email and brief descriptions of the issue. After that, wait for Supercell's response. Supercells typically respond within 1 to 5 business days. If the ban was a mistake, your account will be re-enabled. But if the ban is upheld, respect their decisions to avoid future actions on your other account. And with this step, you should be able to either recover your account or get a clear feedback from Supercells on the situation. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.